This is Canadian, Mexican, American food. Because it's Mexican American food, but we're in Canada.
BANFF burrito, killer nachos. It's delicious. It's not good cameraing.
How was it?
Very good, very full.
It's delicious.
Very sleepy.
Good Canadian, American, Mexican food. Magpie and Stump. Check it out if you're in Banff. We stopped here at Mountain Chocolates in Banff. Hallie had to get her fix.
That's rude. I'm not excited at all.
Are you really not getting anything?
Oh, we're definitely getting something.
Yeah, that's why I got it.
I think I'm just gonna do some of those raisin clusters in the spirit of the child's family.
I'm gonna ruin her chocolate decisions with raisin clusters.
Your grandpa would appreciate that choice. Good, how are you?
Yeah, real good.
Good. What's in a bear paw?
It's got salted cashews and caramel dipped in chocolate. I know about it. Yeah, it's horrible, mate.
Okay. What's in a tortoise?
Pecans and caramel.
Okay. What's your favorite?
Probably between like the myrtles and the bear paws there. The myrtles are salted peanuts, my jam and caramel.
Okay.
They're also massive.
Yeah, they are.
Thank you. You too.
Just bad decisions all around.
Wow, chocolate. We're gonna go ride Star Wars Return of the Jedi, which is a pretty sweet looking trail.
There's real life fire.
Only you can prevent forest fires.
Oh man.
That is like, literally that whole mountain is on fire. You can see over here, even all the way to the right, that's all on fire. Mowing down thick, thick forest. That is absolutely nuts.
Wow, that is huge.
Look at that fire, that is nuts. All right, just got up here in Banff, Alberta, Canada. Hey? Getting ready to run Star Wars Return of the Jedi trail. I've got really high expectations. Let's see what it's all about. And this is Star Wars Return of the Jedi is what it's listed as. Whoosh! That was pretty cool. Probably should have lost the front end right there. Ooh, almost went off the trail. These are pretty cool little tight berms with some little jumps and drops. By the way, this trail started about 25 feet off the road, so I'm about as cold as a block of ice right now. These features are fun. Ooh, a little wall ride. Why not? And a jump. Ah, nice. Oh goodness, that was a big one. That was like a free ride drop. These little jumps and berms are set up pretty nice. Thank you. Wrong turn. Yeah, I think we're supposed to go this way. 2 wrong turns, no big deal. Just a little extra riding. And that's what we're here to do anyways. It's really rocky with loose dirt here in Banff. A lot different trail conditions than we're used to on this trip. It's one thing a lot of people don't take into account. Is that every trail you ride, the type of trail and the conditions are always going to be different. You've got to be able to adjust your riding style, or else sometimes you'll end up taking a tumble. Isn't it funny how at like Whistler, all the blues were like so chunky and messed up? that you were like having a terrible time, but you didn't want to go on the blacks because you're afraid they're going to be too hard. And then we go on the blacks and they're like smoother and nicer and easier.
Oh, much better.
It's crazy. So this is the top-notch trail. One of the black diamonds outside of Banff. Slow and techie climb. Tight switchbacks, oh gosh. Yeah. Get it, Allie. Do not fall off. Thanks, guys. Frank's keeping up. Good boy, Frank. It smells like yummy, fresh dirt. I don't know how else to describe that smell. Across the bridge and through the woods, to grandmother's house we go. That was fun. I just want to rip some of this stuff, but these corners are just so tight you can't really get going too fast. I'll end up falling. Oh, look out, Frank. Oh, he tries to cut me off. When he can see that the trail's going in a corner, he just cuts the corner. Tries to run right into the side of me sometimes. Ooh, little sketchy, right into the tree. Oh, this is a gravel pit. This is cool. Almost fell off right there.
Just went for a really nice ride. Top notch. Star Wars?
Top Notch and Star Wars Return of the Jedi.
Glorious. I just want chocolate. Just want to eat the chocolate we bought yesterday. That's all I want to do.
I want to eat fudge.
I just want to swim in a lake and eat chocolate.
We're up here at Lake Louise, which is like the biggest tourist trap we've seen.
There's a lot of people. I don't think skinny dipping is an option today.
This is a fact. There's a hotel on the lake and it's probably super expensive because this place is picture perfect. It's unreal.